Tire wobbles like it is practicing hula hoop. Customer notices. Fresh fuel gone faster than free donuts in office. Fuel filter cracked. Fuel now irrigates driveway. Customer thought bridge tunnel was SUV-sized. Optimism unlocked. Rain increased. Car became submarine. Practice. Water over dashboard. Repair bill reached 90 grand. Finale. Customer drove in. Says brakes work only in imagination. Pads gone. Customer says tread still visible. Exits with new pads only. Customer requests oil change. Spa day. Oil drain bolt loose. Customer sealed it with glue. Modern art. Rear noise. Customer, how did you even stop? Physics wants to know. Customer says tire pressure looks slow. Bubbles appear. Tire confesses crime scene located. Customer says oil leak looks like sprinkler system. Customer arrives for wellness check. Previous tire surgeon glued patch on outer sidewall. Danger discount apply. Tech warns customer this is mechanical Russian roulette. Customer says no problem, already drove thousands of kilometers on it. Bravery medal. Focus owner reports high coolant temp. Drives in for investigation. Belt snapped itself and half freedom achieved. Water pump decided to leave the chat escape mode. Water pump literally fell off. Customer, were you driving with headphones on? You will never guess this model. Prepare for surprise.